welcome to our series. This is our last series on creation of a custom email marketing system. And in our previous series, we've been looking at, we have set up PowerMTA SMTP. We've been able to set up Mailwizz SMTP. Mailwizz mailer. And now the biggest question is, how do we connect our SMTP with our mailers? So in our case, we are going to use one of the most robust systems in the email marketing arena called Rubedo. So Rubedo is a system that contains a lot of subsystems in it, and it has a lot of features that you may want to check out. You may want to extract B2B contacts. You may want to find local businesses. You may want to extract from LinkedIn. You may want to extract data, finding email in websites, and a lot more other features. And one more thing is to deliverability. Warm up of services, which is very critical when it comes to cold emails. But for this tutorial specifically, we are looking at, you have an SMTP. How do you connect it with this platform? So you come to the CRM and then go to access all contacts. This is after you signed in, and then you come to SMTP or senders. And the beauty about Rubedo is you can add multiple senders. You have an opportunity of adding multiple senders. So you can always add as many SMTPs as you want, and you can send from whichever one that you want. So I'm going to click on Connect SMTP. I'm going to call it Custom SMTP. Send a full name. This is the name that you want to appear when one is sending out the email. In my case, I want to use this. Sender email address. I can use something of this nature. And then SMTP username. This is the username, and then you input the password. The ports, during our creation, we use 587. These ones you're going to leave it as they are. For the host name, we're going to get the IP. This is our IP here. I'm gonna copy that to our system. Don't want to add more details here. You can put a 10,000, and then select the time zone. I want to select -4. For instance, and then I'm going to click reconfirm everything is okay. All right, then I'm going to click on update and check sender. Boom, that's it. That's how you connect the SMTP. And in case you want to run the warm up, you connect with the IMAP, and then you come to warm up deliverability, and you activate the warm up session. So for cold email, warming up is very critical because it helps with your reputation. And how the warm up tool in Rubedo works is it simulates a human being. So it picks up the SMTP, sends out email from it, and then those emails are replied back. In case of any lands in spam, it's removed and taken to inbox, simulating a natural scenario of where a human being is interacting with your sender. So we have connected Rubedo to our SMTP. What is the case when it comes to a platform like Mailwizz? So this is the platform that I set up. You come to create new here. You click on SMTP. First of all, this is how the dashboard of Mailwizz looks like. And then you come to delivery servers. So you create new. Once you create new, you're gonna get credentials of this kind. And then you're going to put your host name, you put your username, the password, the port, all these details that we created them while we were creating the SMTP. And then there's also a very critical feature called post after send. So how post after send works is you don't want to blast out your emails. You want to send your emails one after the other to avoid suspicion, especially for a new sender. You don't want to blast out emails. So after how long do you want an email to go out? So this is what post after send feature comes in. And the other thing is, how do you connect your bound servers? You can come here to bound servers, create new. You can actually and comfortably use Gmail as your bound server, so that in case there is any email that bounces, it goes to your Gmail. So I'm going to pick one of my Gmails, and the credentials is imap.gmail.com. You can call it bound server. The email is the same. You want to leave it as it is in these sections. 143, that's okay. Adding more, and then you're gonna put the password here, and then you hit save changes. Let me see. The app specific password. You need to generate app specific password. From your Gmail. So let me see. I saved it somewhere here. Right, so I'm gonna use this one. I'm here. Then you paste. Save changes. Let's see whether we are connected. Let me change the port to 993. Then for validation, I want to use SSL. Let me input the password again. Save changes. Let's see if this time round we got it right. The bounce server is refusing to connect. Just a moment. Let me check if I've done something wrong. Let me use a different password. Protocol SSL. Let me change the protocol. Validation say no. Let's see if this time around it accepts. There you go. Our delivery server has been added. So if you come, sorry, our bounce server has been added. So if you come here, you'll be able to see the bounce server is active. So thank you so much for working with us this journey of setting up a custom email marketing system. This marks the end of our series. Always refer to our previous videos. And in case you may have any query or you get stuck anywhere, we are always willing and ready to help you. Thank you for your support. Bye for now. Don't forget to always subscribe and share. See you on the next one.